I would be the friendliest person you'd ever met. Everywhere I go, I'd be open to opportunity, open to connecting. I would smile at every person I came across and really work on developing brand new relationships. I don't, I've never, I haven't built my business predominantly on cold market recruiting tactics or tools or anything like that. Uh, so I would try and expand my warm market as quickly as possible. I picture you just move to a new town, a new city, you know absolutely no one there. Get connected in get connected in like-minded groups, in in places where you want to meet people. I had a lady join my business. She moved here, didn't know anybody here. She came from the US and she started meeting people at like trade shows, or she would just interact with people at farmers markets, at mom and baby groups, and just started developing and building that network that when they decided to involve themselves with the business, to take it more seriously, that they were able to grow their business substantially. They're at a diamond in our business right now. But I think that's at the end of the day, if we honor people, if we treat them with respect, and we are genuinely likable and people want to be around us, that whenever we get around to the question of what do you do, or so what do you do for a living, or what's this product you're always using around me or whatnot, that people are going to be much more receptive to what we have to offer than if we're just in constant pitch fest mode, or where we obviously have a hidden agenda of, okay, I want to be your friend so I can hopefully get you in my business. If we just develop and cultivate great relationships, people naturally want to do business with people they know, like, and trust. They want to support local businesses, support their friends, and I think that's probably my strategy, is just figure out what I was going to do to get connected again.